Hello and hi. In this video, I will talk about the real difference, which will make a difference in your decision of whether you want to buy or not the Samsung M10 or M20. Let's begin with battery. M10 features a 3400 mAh battery, whereas for M20 you will see a 5000 mAh battery. So if you see, they were boasting a lot about 5000 mAh battery. It's only for M20 and not for M10. Next, let's go to display. The user will experience everything only with the display. So display needs to be the best. In case of both M10 and M20, you will find TFT display. Now let me tell you, IPS displays are superior to normal TFT display with wider viewing angle and lower power consumption, which leads to a much improved battery life. IPS are costlier, that's where they saved some money. And if you think that's all they did, then you're wrong. The M20 has a 270 pixel per inch, that is 270 ppi, which is much lower considering it has a massive 6.22 inch display. That is because of a HD display, which will lead to not being a crisp and detailed screen. And as for M20, it has 408 ppi, which is full HD, so that's good. You will see better images, better fonts, smoother lines, or in other words, a higher quality. As for connectivity, the M20 will have USB Type-C and M10 will not have that, so data transfer and charging speeds are affected. The other thing where M20 excels is having a fingerprint sensor, and M10 will not have that, but it features a face recognition. Both M20 and M10 face recognition, and both will not have a compass as well as magnetometer sensor, which is actually sad. But if we look in the past, then Samsung has done that where it does not provide any sensor, not even the basic ones. But this time at least they have provided some basic sensor, so it's a relief. As far as SIM is concerned, both will feature a dual OLTE SIM, and the OS will be Android Oreo 8.1, which is another point of concern because Android 9 is already starting to roll, and if Samsung provides Android 9 update later on, then they might not support the next big update from Google, that is Android Q. Other simple differences you will find in other videos, but this video was for you to know what's actually hidden so that you can make an informed decision. So how was it, guys? Did you really learn something new about these devices? Do consider before you buy one. With that being said, I am Satish and see you in another video.